Hello everyone, this is Amy from Hebei Xinnuo roofing machine. Our machine feature PLC control, stable running, high precision, and high efficiency. Let's go to our factory, and I would like to introduce our workshop to you. This is our company Fish Pond. We pay great attention to the beauty of nature. We'll focus on machinery manufacturing. We also pursue harmony between industry and ecology. This is our office building and product sample room. And this is our engineer office, professional R&D team focused on technical innovation. And this workshop is our CNC machining center. The first workshop is our machining workshop. Here, I want to first show our main machine, which are very important. Let's go. This workshop is our machining workshop. Here, I want to first show our main machine, a 30-meter gantry milling machine. We highlight this machine because only our company uses such a large gantry milling machine for actual production. As you know, roofing machines are long, have a complex structure, and need a very high precision. In the beginning, we, like most companies, made the machine film in parts and welding them together. After our engineers improved the design and got feedback from our company worldwide, we saw that method has some limits in flatness, stability, and over time, and accuracy and high speed. To solve those problems, we introduced a 30-meter big gantry milling machine. Now we can machine the whole machine frame at once. We don't need to make parts and welding them together anymore. Instead, the frame is machined in one. It's very stable. It makes the whole film much flatter and straighter. It gives high accuracy for roller installation and machine adjustment. Move forward, this is our special area for machining rollers and shafts. And something important parts. Rollers and shafts are the main load-bearing and forming parts. Their position decides the forming size, surface quality, and long-term stability of the machine. Thanks to long-term investment and strict quality standards, our company has grown to this. We can always provide customers worldwide with roofing machines that are stable, reliable, and a long time. This is our designer office. Then I would like to introduce this workshop. Those workshops are for sandwich panel machine parts. These workshops are for sandwich panel line. This for cutting, stacking, and packing station of sandwich panel line. Fully automatic precision cutting, intelligent stacking, and automatic protective packaging. High efficiency, stable, and long serving. Next, let's move to our next workshop. This is our spare parts warehouse and precision process workshop. Adequate stock of original parts, strict quality control in process, from parts to finished machines. We pressure accuracy excellent in every step. This is the base of each steel. We use the China-based bed, Laigang. After welding them together, then the parts will send to the sandblasting workshop. But today's sandblasting is working. You can see there. Different from many other companies, we have a special organized workshop for sandblasting and painting. We don't do as temporary workshop or ask others to do it. We strictly follow the standard surface treatment process. First, we sandblast the whole surface to remove rust, welding slag, and oil. Then we apply 2 coats of primer, and we also use 2 coats of top paint. Today is shipment day. This is our CC Purlin reforming machine. This machine are for living full panel, and we also have light Keel reforming machine. Then let's to another workshop. Be careful. And this for double layer reforming machine, self-lock reforming machine, and leaving and cutting machine. Those machines are ready to shipment. This machine is ready to make up. Our engineers are working. This machine are for CZ machine. This is floor deck machine, can adjust the size. This is simple. This is our finished machine assembly and testing workshop. Here you can see many machines being assembled and tested ready to shipment to different countries. And here we can see many parts. Some is ready to. These are for rollers. And these are shaft. And all the parts are ready to make the machine. You can see this. The quality is very good, and the surface is very smooth. Let's to another workshop. Those parts are for CZ and CPD parts. Those parts, because the machine today we have shipment, then we ready to make a new machine. And here, this is CZ Purlin machine. You can see here is Z Purlin, and I like to show you the hose. Sometimes we have 3 punching station, make like this hose. And I'd like to introduce our Plus very big size CZ Purlin machine. You can see this machine is very big, and this machine uses gearbox trans. Let's go to another workshop. This workshop are for sandwich panel line. This is double layer manual decoller. It's for roll forming. This also for roll forming. This can adjustable. Follow this can adjustable the size. Put the EPS on here and glue station and the panel through this put together 3 layers together, and then the panel is finished. I would like to introduce this line. This line are for automatic electrical reforming machine for C type. This machine can automatic adjust both size, full automatic. And this line is a simple slitting line. Decoller, slitting, and receive decoller. And floor deck reforming machine. And this machine are for nail making machine. And this for bone corrugated reforming machine. Usually, customer buy the cut Purlin line with this machine to product the panels. And then this is for slitting. Before slitting with roll leaving. This is band for the panels. Then this part different size. This is our PV bracket reforming machine production line. This is our the 5 lines sent to India. This is customer. This is stable for pump station. Can save the space. And this can punching. This for punching station for 6 holes. And once can punching 12 holes. And this is no stop cutting. The speed very fast. Okay, our introduce is finished. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is our customer reception room, and we can take a picture and here. Let's go. And this is our office, international office. And this is our sample room. In here, you can find any samples which you want. And those samples are made by our machine. Some machine we maybe cannot show in the catalog, but in here, you can find this cable tray, and then